How was your morning?
Oh,
Rita, you upset?
I'm fine, my love. It's just time to go, that's all.
Well, what if we...
What if we what?
What if we stay one more day? Charlie, why can't we stay?
Because, darling, I know why you want to stay, but get control of yourself. You're a little drunk. Sober up.
No. Be reasonable. You're capable of sacrifice. Be a true friend. Please, be generous.